Hello, welcome to the next section, Exploring .NET Core 1.1. Here we will explore .NET Core 1.1. We will see what .NET Core is and what we can do with it. We will take a look at how to create an application on Windows using Visual Studio 2017 and then running that application. We will create a .NET Core console application in Visual Studio 2017. Under Visual C# Templates, select .NET Core and add a console app .NET Core project. We name it as .NET Core Console. When you create your console application, the code will look something like this. Now modify your code. First, remove the console.writeLine and add these lines of code. The method getSystemInfo just returns the current operating system the console application currently runs on. Then in the main string, add this code. The CSproj file looks like this. The version is defined as 1.1.0. If you are still running Visual Studio 2017 RC, it would be a good idea to check your installed NuGet packages to see whether there is an update available for your .NET Core version from the .NET Core 1.0 to .NET Core 1.1. Press F5 to run your console application. You will see that the OS is displayed in the output.